Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie and let's get started. And today we're doing some cozy cottagecore fall DIY decor. For DIY number 1, at the Dollar Tree I picked up this wooden mug plaque for fall. Super adorable. I'm going to remove this tag, definitely not going to use any of this. And I'm going to take this fabric that I found as well. I like the pattern, I like the check, and I'm going to take a piece, and it's pretty wrinkled, so I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of pressing with my mini easy press to get everything nice and smooth. This just makes the whole DIY so much easier. So I just take the time to do this. Just takes a few seconds, don't take long at all. And now I'm ready for action. So here I'm going to place this fabric on top to see where I need to snip it. So I just do little notches. I really like the fabric with the lines. It's easy to cut. So here, then I realized, wait a minute, I had to double check, and no, I need to put just a little bit longer on this. I mean, it would have made it, but I just wanted it a little bit longer. So another little notch. Now I'll go ahead and use my scissors and snip off the piece that I need. But just here, just cut it. Now this is perfect. It's going to go right here where the mug is supposed to be. So I'm going to take some Mod Podge and I'm going to do a good amount on all this wood piece, including the pumpkin in the middle, and brush it nice and even and thick like this. Now I'll place this fabric on top. Try to get it as straight as possible because these are lines. So sometimes that is the bad part about lines, fabric with lines. You got to get it just right or it's going to look off. But I think it's pretty straight. Now I'll go ahead and do another layer of the Mod Podge. This is just a mat from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use my little brush and get everything nice and smooth. I'm going to saturate it really well because we're going to be doing some cutting in the center. So here it is, nice and coated. Now here it is, nice and dry. Now I'm going to take my X-Acto blade, and it's very sharp. I'm just going to score this top part to remove it. This is the easiest way. And if you added enough Mod Podge, this will come off super easy. If you didn't add enough Mod Podge, then it would just fray everywhere. So that's the trick. The rest of it, I'm just going to use my scissors because it's easy to do. So I just trim it like that real quick. Now for the center, I'm going to take my time and just start poking with my knife, my X-Acto knife. It's pretty sharp, so it does a really good job. And then here it is. I removed all the pieces. It took a little while to get all this off, but again, if you add enough Mod Podge, it'll work easily. Now I'm going to take my puffy paint from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to do little stitch marks along the edges of this mug, including the pumpkin in the center. So I'm just going to take my time to get all these details and accents on here, and then I'll show you here real quick. You can kind of see it. Now I'm going to take some of the white paint that the Dollar Tree carries, Crafter Square, and I'm just going to paint the mug handle and then allow this to dry. In the meantime, I'm taking this frame that my sweet friend Norma gave me with a bunch of crafting supplies that she gave me, and I'm going to remove these foam roses. We won't be needing them. And I'm going to take my heat gun to remove any excess glue. It wasn't much, but there was a couple little dabs, so I just removed them. This one pulled off a little bit of paper, but that's okay, it's not going to matter. So now I'm going to remove the backing from the frame. I'm not going to paint the frame, but I am going to paint the backing with some chalk paint, and I use chalk paint because it's nice and thick, and I'm going to allow this to dry. Now here is my mug and all the accents with the puffy paint all nice and dry. And for the topper, a lot of people I know you'll probably expect me to use spackle. You guys know I can spackle it up. Yeah, I can. But I thought, no, I'm going to be a little bit creative, do something a little bit different. And I had this ruffled satin ribbon in my stash from, I believe, Valentine's actually. So I'm just going to use some of this to be my whipped cream. Hey, gotta make it a little bit different, right? And this is a cottagecore kind of video. So cottagecore, you know, we use fabrics and lace and things. So yeah, this goes with it. So I'm just going to take my time and just start building my faux whipped cream with this ruffled ribbon. And I did get this from Amazon. And you can make your own ribbon like this if you have a sewing machine. That's not too difficult to do. You just need a little bit of patience to get it done. But I have a sewing machine. I know how to sew. But I just bought this off Amazon. And it wasn't expensive at all, and they sent a lot. So yeah, I used some for Valentine's, and then here I'm using some of this for fall, for my whipped cream. So here I'm just going to do a little bit of hot glue on the both ends and placing it on the back. I'm not going to worry about what the back looks like because we won't be seeing it at all. It's going to be in the frame that we have in the background. This will be the outside. This will be the front. So here I'm just going to continue to add my faux whipped cream like this, just taking my time, and I guess I'm showing you this whole process. And then as you can see, I didn't have to worry about covering up that little hole because this will cover it up, no problem. So here is my second to last little layer, a little bit of glue, take it to the back and press it. And then I did have another little piece, and that'll be at the very, very top. And I'm just going to do a nice amount of glue on one side, and it'll hold both sides. So here you'll see it'll just hold them both. And then I'll add a ribbon later on. But look how cute. That's my mug. Okay, here's my backing, and I'm going to place it back in my frame. Get it back in there, get it nice and secure. Make sure that the hanger is on the right side. Now here is my mug. It fits on this frame nearly perfectly. Now I'm going to use these LED lights that my sweet friend Norma gave me in that stash of stuff. Oh my goodness. I'm going to put some batteries in it real quick. Did you see that? That was pretty fun, huh? That was magic. And I'm going to take the battery compartment and I'm going to adhere it to the back, but I'm going to make sure that the opening is facing out. Don't want to hot glue the piece that opens against the frame. That would be a disaster. So now I'm going to take the lights, take it to the front, and I'm just going to bunch them in there. I was going to tack them down with hot glue, but I don't think I need to. I think just bunching them together would work. So here I'm just going to kind of place them on there and then staging the mug, and I think this fits really nicely, looks pretty good. So now I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to do a little bit of hot glue here, a little bit of hot glue there, and yes, it got stuck a little bit, but thankfully not too much. And I'm placing my mug on top, letting the hot glue set. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn everything over, and I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue underneath the battery compartment just to place the extra wire down. So right here I'm just going to go under and using my Cricut spatula to kind of help push it down, and then that'll help hold the excess wire. And now all I need now is my little bow that I made with some Dollar Tree ribbon. Place it on the very top, just kind of finagle it a little bit, kind of open it up, and that is it. How cute! This is how it looks, and a closer look at the final reveal. Did you know that you can help support my channel for free just by watching the ads? Absolutely. For DIY number 2, my sweet friend Norma also gave me this Gather decor piece, and I thought this is perfect for fall, of course. So I'm going to remove the inside piece. I'm going to save that for maybe nautical DIYs. I don't know, maybe for the beach. And I'm going to take some more of this fabric and some more of this matte Mod Podge. Do a nice amount, nice and smooth on my backing, placing my fabric on top. Get everything nice and smooth and even. Make sure the lines are straight. Double checking. Yep, looks pretty good. And now I'm just going to take some more of the Mod Podge and do a good saturation of it. That way everything is really well adhered like this. Allow this to dry completely. Now here it is, nice and dry. Now for this one, I'm just going to take scissors because it's on the outside, and as long as you have good sharp scissors, it doesn't take long at all. Super easy. So just like that, just trim everything off. And now I'm going to place my gather piece right on top. Here I'm figuring this a little bit more trimming right here. Get it good. And I'm going to do the hot glue across, down, across, and then up. Because I'm a lefty, so this is the way I have to do it. Now I'm going to place my sign back on top. Get it nice and adhered. And then taking my X-Acto knife to get everything trimmed on the top. Now here is this family decor piece that my sweet friend Norma also gave me. It's in a really pretty like copper metallic-y gold color. I don't know. So I decided I'm not going to paint it. I like the way it was. But I am going to take my puffy paint and I'm going to do some little stitch marks on it. Again, give it a little bit of that cottagecore kind of look for this video. Just a cozy cottage, super sweet fall look. So here this one is done, and then I'll do the same thing for gather. I'm going to do the same thing, just take a little bit of my puffy paint and I'll just start, take my time and get it all done. And with the magic of editing, here it is, nice and done. Everything is still wet though, so I'll allow this to dry. Now here it is, everything is nice and dry now. Now I didn't show it, but on the gather on the top left corner, I did add a bow and some florals. And then that is it. Here's how it looks and a closer look at the final reveal. For DIY number 3, which is actually a hack, I got these 2 pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. This one's a Sherpa kind of fabric. This one's a velvet type of fabric. And I'm going to remove the stems, or the AKA peduncle. And let me tell you, they hot glue these really well. So I'm just turning. Finally, I just had to just force it off. Just pull it. Take my chances. And it came out. So I just kind of put everything back in place. This one here had a lot of glue. So I took my heat gun to help soften the glue just a little bit. And again, just kind of nudged it and pulled it until it just came off. Now on Amazon, I found these adorable doilies, very cottage-like. And I'm going to place them on top. So I'm just going to take my little peduncle and put it through the hole of the doily and putting the peduncle back inside because all the glue was still warm. This one didn't need the glue. I just kind of just put it back in there and it went in there. So hey, I ain't gonna complain. Now I did have these little embellishments, these little pitberry, little beaded garland. This one's in a green and white, and I kind of gave it a little bit of embellishment. And then on the other one, I had one that had orange and burgundy pitberries, beaded garland, and then one of these little bows from the Dollar Tree, well, Dollar Tree ribbon. And I'm going to place this orange one right here on this orange pumpkin. And I have this pink one made with some pink jelly ribbon from the Dollar Tree and place it on this mauve one. And that is it. Super cute little hack. Here's how they look and a closer look at the final reveal. If you're on Instagram, here's my QR code. I invite you to scan it and come follow me on there. I post on there Monday through Fridays, as well as TikTok. Here's my QR code for there. Here is my QR code for Facebook, also Monday through Fridays, as well as my Pinterest. Here's my QR code for there. And here's my Lemonade account as well. And my Threads account. This is my handle. also Monday through Fridays. There's my Hometalk QR code. I invite you to come scan it. Post on there twice a month. I do have a Facebook crafting group. I invite you to come join us there. And if you're interested, my Etsy shop is open again. And now we're at the final reveal. Let me know what you think and which one is your favorite one. Well, I'll take a moment and say thank you for taking time out of your busy day and watching my video. This is my first fall video of this year. I'm looking forward to making quite a few DIYs for fall, and especially with all the gifts that my sweet friend Norma gave me. I'm so grateful to her and all these crafting supplies. But I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and if you want to see more, definitely subscribe to my next video. Stay healthy, safe, and strong, and have a great day. Bye-bye.